Hello students, I am your math teacher Monica Kaur and today we'll learn about conversions of metric measure units. The topic is in your book in chapter number 8 measurement. So let's start. So to do the conversion, first we will learn a trick. So children, if you know this trick, you will be able to do the conversion easily without actually learning the conversions. So for this, the first thing which you have to do is you have to first learn this trick. The first thing is that you have to learn the statement. So the statement is King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So first you will learn this statement, that is King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So in this statement, every letter of this word is having a prefix of the metric units. How it is? Let's see. Like K is having prefix as kilo. H in Henry is having a prefix as hecto. Then D means deca. B is the basic unit. Basic unit, what is basic unit? I will tell you. First just see all the prefixes of the metric measure units. D is deci. C is centi. And M is milli. Right? So these prefixes you have to learn. This is the prefixes of metric measure units. Now coming to what is basic unit. Basic unit is the unit which you used to convert. Like for example, if I say my basic unit is meter. So that means kilo, the suffix जो होता है वो पीछे आता है किसी वर्ड के, prefix जो होता है वो आगे आता है. So किलो के साथ जो suffix लगेगा that will be meter. So it will be kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, that is our basic unit. Then we have decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Right? If our basic unit is, for example, let's say our basic unit is liter, then it will be kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and millimeter. So whatever will be the basic unit, same will be the suffix. Like the basic unit of weight is gram. So if the basic unit is gram, then it will be kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. So the basic unit changes and the suffix accordingly changes, but prefix of metric measure unit always remains the same. Prefix हमेशा same रहता है. So आपने trick में क्या learn करना है? First you will learn the sentence. And what is the sentence? The sentence is King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. जैसे ही आप ये sentence learn करेंगे, you will learn the prefix. So every word, every letter of this word is having a meaning. Like K stands for kilo, H stands for hecto, D stands for deca, B stands for basic unit, D stands for deci, C stands for centi and M stands for milli. Now we will learn the short form of these prefix and suffix. So kilometer means km, hectometer means hm, decameter means dam, basic unit meter, you know its short form is meter, decimeter is dm, centimeter is cm and millimeter is mm. So this is the trick which you need to learn. Along with this trick, you also need to learn one more thing, and that is children, when we convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we multiply. That means when we are converting bigger unit into smaller unit, we multiply. And to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we divide. So like for example, let's come back to the trick. So if you are converting kilometer into hectometer, hectometer into decameter, means when you are moving from bigger unit to smaller unit, here kilometer is the bigger unit and millimeter is the smaller unit. So when you are moving from bigger unit to smaller unit, then that means when you are converting any bigger unit into smaller unit, you multiply, and when you are converting smaller unit into bigger unit, like if you are moving from millimeter to kilometer, that means you will divide. So let's do one example so as to make this concept more clear to everyone. So let's do one example. Okay, let's convert let's convert 3 centimeter into meter. So to convert centimeter into millimeter, first we will write the metric measures unit. So it is King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So since the basic unit is meter, so it will be kilometer, hectometer, decameter. Basic unit is meter. Then we have decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Children, don't get confused between decameter and decimeter. The short form is decameter is DAM and the short form of decimeter is DM. So now in this we have to convert centimeter into meter. That means we have to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. So when we are converting a smaller unit into bigger unit, we divide. हम डिवाइड तो करेंगे पर किस से डिवाइड करेंगे? सो हमने क्या करना है, वी विल काउंट द नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स. एवरी स्टेप इज़ 10 टाइम्स द अदर स्टेप. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैंने मिलीमीटर में मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है सेंटीमीटर को, तो हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट, आई विल काउंट माई स्टेप. सो मुझे मीटर तक पहुँचने के लिए कितने स्टेप्स चढ़ने हैं? 1 step and 2 step. So I have to move 2 steps to reach meter. 2 steps means you will put 2 zeros and you will divide. Why we will divide? Because we are converting smaller unit into bigger unit. So now we will write 3 centimeter equals to 3 upon 100 meter, which is equals to 0.03 meter. 2 zeros means decimal place will come after 2 decimal places. So this is the way with which we can convert a smaller unit into bigger unit. Now let's do one more question. So the question is, let's convert 7.6 kilometer into meter. So again the same drill. First we will write the sequence, that is King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Since the basic unit is a meter, so it will be kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now we will see हमें convert करना किसको है. So we have to convert kilometer, और किस में convert करना है? मीटर में. So this is my kilometer and I have to convert it into meter. So I will count my steps. अब बच्चे, we are converting bigger unit into smaller unit, so that means we will multiply. लेकिन multiply क्या कौन सा नंबर करेंगे? That we will count my steps. So हेक्टोमीटर तक जाने के लिए 1 step I have traveled, डेकामीटर में जाने के लिए 2 step and 3rd step में I have reached my meter. So meter के लिए how many steps I have moved? I have moved 3 steps. So 3 steps का मतलब होता है I will multiply it by 3 zeros, means 1000. अगर मैं 2 steps चलती तो I would have multiplied it by 100. इफ़ 4 स्टेप्स अगर मैं चलूँगी तो आई वुड हैव मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई 10,000. So let's solve this. So now we have 7.6 kilometer. When we are converting it into meter, so 7.6 multiply by 1000 meter. So 76 we will write as it is, और इसके साथ we will add 3 zeros, 1, 2 and 3. Decimal place means 1 decimal place, so we will leave 1 decimal place and we will put 0. We will put decimal and then we will put the unit. बेटा it is very important to mention the unit. अगर एग्ज़ाम में आप यूनिट नहीं लिखेंगे तो आपके मार्क्स कट होंगे. सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू मेंशन द यूनिट. आप किसको किस में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, यू हैव टू मेंशन द यूनिट. सो नाउ इट विल बी 7,600 मीटर. सो हमने क्या किया, हमने बिगर से अगर स्मॉलर यूनिट में कन्वर्ट किया तो हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया. मल्टीप्लाई कैसे किया, हमने नंबर ऑफ़ स्टेप्स काउंट करने हैं कि हम कितने स्टेप्स चले और उतने ज़ीरोस ऐड करके वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. एंड इफ़ वी आर converting smaller unit into bigger unit, so how we are going to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we will divide. और divide किसको करेंगे, we will count the number of steps. जितने steps हम नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जाएंगे उतने zeros add करेंगे and we will do the conversion. So I hope this is clear. I will be giving you some questions so as to check whether you are able to understand this concept or not. So that's all for today. Bye. Take care.